Know only Excel? Get AI ready in 2025. If you're one of the many Americans who only know Excel, here's the most optimistic message you'll hear this year. You can build an AI-ready career without learning to code. Here's why. AI is not about programming, it's about understanding data and asking the right questions. And Excel and Power BI are designed for exactly that. More than 97% of large US companies still use Excel in daily analytics, and over 50 million professionals now use Power BI for dashboards. Together, they form a no-code ecosystem that can already communicate with artificial intelligence. Let's see how it works and how you can use it. First, Excel is smarter than ever. The new Microsoft 365 Copilot feature lets you type plain English commands. Summarize quarterly sales by region, or find anomalies in revenue. Copilot writes the formulas, builds the charts, and updates them automatically. This is AI in action, and you're the analyst directing it. Second, Power BI connects it all. Power BI allows you to visualize data in seconds, but now it also has AI insights, natural language queries, sentiment analysis, and even predictive modeling built in. You can ask, why did profits drop last quarter? And Power BI's AI will highlight the cause using your existing data. That's machine learning without a single line of code. Third, add ChatGPT to your workflow. Imagine copying a messy Excel sheet into ChatGPT and asking, clean this data and group it by region. Or write a 3-sentence executive summary of this sales report. That's prompt engineering. You're already doing what many AI analysts get paid to do. Fourth, connect your tools. You can link Excel, Power BI, and ChatGPT using Power Automate or Cloud connectors. That means your report updates, analyzes, and emails itself every week while you sleep. That's how you move from reporting to AI automation. Fifth, focus on insight, not syntax. AI and automation will handle formulas. Your job is to understand what the data means. Why is a number up or down? What should the business do next? That's the skill companies can't replace, interpretation. And people who can combine that skill with automation earn premium salaries. According to Microsoft's 2025 Future of Work report, the average pay for Power BI and automation specialists now ranges between $95K and $225K and rising fast. Meanwhile, 8 out of 10 employers say they'd rather hire someone who understands data logic and tools than someone who just codes. So if you're one of those Americans who only know Excel, congratulations! You already have the base for a career in AI-assisted analytics. Learn to connect Excel with Power BI, use AI Copilot or ChatGPT for automation, and focus on storytelling, and you'll be more valuable, not less. You don't need to code. You just need to adapt. AI doesn't replace Excel, it supercharges it. And the people who embrace that shift will lead the next generation of data professionals. So start experimenting, keep learning, and turn your everyday Excel skills into an AI-ready career that grows with technology, not against it.